Keep this in mind that your bedding should say luxury, luxury, luxury. वो आपके बेडरूम को 10 गुना और luxurious दिखा देगा अगर you get your bedding right. So add that grandness to your room. Customize your bed to make it look more stylish, more grand. That will give that luxurious feel to your bedroom. Mirror is the biggest asset when it comes to designing. If used properly, they can enhance your room to another level. क्योंकि mirror से आपकी जगह और बड़ी दिखेगी. Mirror से आपकी जगह में और brightness आएगी. Mirrors and lights are very important. Don't underestimate the value of the light. आपकी lighting भी layers to layers chalti hai. Sometimes you just want an ambient light. Sometimes you want a task light. Sometimes you need a focus light. Sometimes just a little bit of everything. ये सब अपने अपने level पे एक काम करते हैं. And you need to have them all. Check out the link in the description box for the full video and do leave a comment.